Building wealth with property investments in Tampa. Hello, my name's Andrew Dugill with Hoffman Realty Tampa Property Management, and this is another in our helpful blog series for Tampa landlords. Real estate is an excellent vehicle for building wealth. When you own rental real estate, you have the potential to earn some pretty impressive returns over the long term. And this can help you plan for retirement, pay for your child's college education, or just build generational wealth for the entire family. Now, there are four major factors that contribute to the wealth building capabilities of real estate investments. The first one is real estate appreciates quickly. For residential properties, values tend to double about every 10 years. The second factor is that rental prices also appreciate quickly. You can expect your rental values to double about every 20 years. Thirdly, your tenants are paying rent, and this is helping pay down your mortgage. And finally, they are the tax advantages unique to rental properties that include deductions for depreciation, maintenance, and professional services. You have to choose the right investment property. To be successful as a real estate investor, you need to understand two important things. First, and most importantly, it's going to take some time to earn some real money. Secondly, you can only succeed when you purchase the right property. Now, some rental properties will cash flow right away, but for most, it's going to take some time. And that's okay. If you've invested in a good property, you started to earn money as soon as you closed on the deal. The best investment properties for wealth building, we believe, are single-family homes. The Tampa market has a lot of opportunity right now for investors looking at single-family homes. In our 35 plus years of experience, we've found that multifamily properties, while they have their own unique advantages, often result in more work and lower returns over time. With single-family homes, you'll attract stable tenants, higher rents. You'll also see your property values increase consistently in the short and the long term. Real estate investing is time-consuming. We're always amused when we hear real estate investors describe the passive income they earn from their property. There's nothing passive about owning, leasing, managing, and maintaining a rental home. If you're managing on your own, you're going to need a lot of time to devote to your properties and your tenants. You're also going to need good resources like a good lease agreement, highly qualified maintenance vendors who are licensed and insured, legal experts if you have lease violations or an eviction, and an understanding of the local rental market and how it impacts rental values, marketing, tenant retention, and lease renewals. You also need to understand security deposit laws and the difference between a pet and a service animal. Most investors earn more money and waste less time when they hire a professional property management company. Property managers have consistent systems in place and years of experience. You need to measure your tolerance for risk. As with any investment that provides good returns, there are risks when you invest in Tampa real estate. Traditionally, people have believed the higher the risk, the higher the return, but this isn't always the case. If your goal is to build long-term wealth, we recommend a low-risk strategy that reflects an understanding of the market. Wesley Chapel, for example, is a Tampa rental market that commands high rents, attracts good tenants who want good schools for their kids, and is unlikely to begin deteriorating over the next 20 to 30 years. Property values are increasing steadily, and an investor can expect to make 8 to 12% on the cash invested over the period of their investment. The wealth is growing even at a lower risk level. Risk, of course, is always mitigated by hiring a good local property manager. If you'd like to talk about your own unique investment goals and how a strategy of buying smart rental properties in Tampa might help you build a portfolio, we'd love to talk to you.